bachelor's chicken biryani. It's common in India for every bachelor.
How to cook chicken biryani just like this?
Yeah, today we are going to make Thalassery chicken biryani. It's a kind of chicken biryani we used to cook in Kerala on the... sorry.
Oh, okay. Just name a few of recipes in India.
Like we have different kinds of biryanis in India.
Okay.
We have like Thalassery biryani, dum biryani. Then like in Tamil Nadu we have Ampur biryani. Yeah, then Hyderabadi biryani, which is like famous in north side. Yeah.
And Delhi biryani.
Delhi biryani.
I think now it's Germany biryani.
With less spices.
Yeah. So now which biryani are we going to make?
Today we're going to make Thalassery biryani.
Can you just show me the ingredients list once?
Yeah, it's actually the simplest biryani. We have just two spices for this. Just garam masala. It's a mixture
Show me.
of...
This one?
This is garam masala.
Okay.
This is a mixture of all spices with like grampu, patta, cinnamon, things like that.
Okay.
And just turmeric powder.
Okay.
Yeah. Next we need fried onions, tomatoes, just onions.
Okay.
Then we need rice with bay leaves,
Okay.
chicken, especially chicken legs,
Okay.
yogurt,
Yogurt,
then tomatoes.
tomatoes, and what about this?
Okay, this is a secret ingredient. This is a mixture of ginger garlic paste, mint leaf, green chilies and coriander leaves. That's it.
Okay, perfect. So you just blended it, right?
Yeah, we need to add this.
So first we have to take the onions, right?
Yep.
Let's go. So,
Pour some oil.
Okay.
And we have like beautifully sliced onions by Ganesh.
Thank you.
You can
Okay.
have to wait until the oil is heat.
Okay.
It's all the time.
It's a student kitchen actually. So we have like two refrigerators. These are double doors, and everyone.
3 refrigerators, one over there.
Oh, 3!
Yeah.
3 refrigerators. See.
For just 8 people.
I like this dome actually. Even I'm also staying in the ground sites, so these domes are so good. These are newly built domes, so you can see like there is a multiple space, but this has to share by like around 8 people, I guess. So everybody has like shared bathroom. I think one person has individual.
We can cook rice.
Okay.
I just poured some onions to the rice.
Okay. This is we are going to make rice, right?
Yeah, we're gonna cook. Actually, we are gonna make rice and masala separately, and at the end we are gonna mix it together.
Oh, okay. Perfect.
We are keeping it at dum.
Done. Okay.
Mixture of ginger garlic with mint leaf and coriander.
So okay.
Yeah, we can
So
add just a small spoon to the rice.
Okay.
To the rice.
Ah, okay.
Just a bit. Yeah. I like what the cinnamon sticks.
Cinnamons.
In Malayalam we call this patta.
Pata. Okay. Call this pata.
Patta.
Pata.
Not patta. It's patta.
Pata. Okay.
To the
Baileys.
So it's like 2.5 glass of rice.
Oh, okay.
Maybe 500 grams. I don't know.
Maybe, yeah,
Yeah,
approximately.
somewhat, yeah.
Half kg of rice for 1 kg of chicken.
Yeah.
So we need more protein than carbohydrates.
It's chicken in rice.
Chicken in rice.
Yeah. Keep it.
One.
So now we're gonna add 1:1, like 2.5 glass of water. It's like same amount of rice.
Okay. You are adding salt?
Yeah.
Okay. Why no whistle?
Because if I use whistle, the
But it's okay.
use whistle, but for my cook I don't need whistle. Because if I keep the whistle, it will be overcooked all the time.
Oh.
Yeah.
So
I don't know.
you need to learn this technique.
Yeah, my
Cooking
cooker
without-
is like a bit over smart. Now we are gonna make masala for chicken biryani.
Okay.
And like I just add onion.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna add this ginger
Paste.
garlic paste with mint leaf.
Mint leaf, yeah.
2 to 3 spoons.
2 to 3 spoons.
Yep.
Perfect. We are not going to add?
Chili powder.
Why?
Like we had raw green chili to this, so yeah.
Okay. So you added already the chilies in that paste.
Paste, yeah.
Okay, perfect. In order to make Indian biryani, you should learn how to push the smoke
Smoke outside.
outside. That's really important. In Thalassery Biryani, see, it looks so greener.
Because of green chilies.
Yeah. As well as lot of green leaves also.
Yeah. This
Okay.
this vessel is not that
You
good.
first need to burn the ground. Then you will get Thalassery Biryani.
No, it's not like that. Actually, we need a good vessel for cooking biryani and we don't have it right now.
I got so tired. I need some juice.
Add
Now.
Now we are gonna add garam masala and turmeric powder to the mix.
Okay.
It's like 1.5 spoons of garam masala
Okay.
and a pinch of turmeric powder. Just pinch. Okay.
Okay.
Now we are gonna add chicken and we have to just roast it until it's white in color.
Okay. This is how you have to cook chicken, Alina. So this is how, okay?
Yeah. Okay, it looks yum.
Oh, thank you. Now what I have to do?
Now we have to add tomatoes and curd to the mix.
Okay. Right.
One left.
Okay. Okay. And then-
Spoons of curd.
Okay, now 2 spoons of yogurt. That's it?
One more spoon.
One more spoon. 3.
Yep. Done.
Okay. Tell me.
Now we have to add water and we have to wait until it's cooked.
Okay. So
2
how
to
much?
3 glass of water.
2 to 3 glasses. It's not about cooking, it's all about cleaning.
Yeah.
Actually, how much time we need to cook it? We are cooking like since last 5 minutes, I guess. Do you know any exact time?
Actually, I don't know the exact time.
We kept almost like 20 minutes, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
20 minutes. And the chicken is almost cooked.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cooked. Now we can add this fried onions
Okay.
to this.
Let's add it. Ooh. Actually, these fried onions will give the good flavor, right?
Yeah.
And then and taste as well.
Yeah.
So, good amount of onions were really important.
Yeah, for gravy.
For gravy, yeah.
And now we don't have to close it because it's already cooked, so we can just open it and just wait to the gravy to become thick.
Yeah. Now we are going to test the taste.
One more.
Let's test the taste.
Yeah.
Maybe please very little. My hand's gonna burn. It's too hot.
It's too hot.
Wow. But my hands burn, but it's tasty.
Burn.
It's worth to burn your hands. To
Do we
taste.
need a bit more salt, like, or is it fine?
All the chefs will make others to try first because they want to taste on others. Then only they will test on themselves. Right? So we are done, right?
Yeah, we are done. Now we can add rice to
Okay.
this.
Perfect. So you will add all the rice at the top layer, right?
Yeah, we need to wait for 5 more minutes because
Okay. We have to listen master chef.
just check the rice, it's almost cooked, right?
Yeah, it's almost cooked. It's like 80% cooked, right? Good. We need to cook rice till up to 70%.
70 to 80% and the balance is cooked in the gravy.
In the gravy, yeah.
But now it's almost cooked.
So you don't have to put for longer time.
Yeah.
So that it won't stick enough later on. Really?
Have you tried Thalassery Biryani before?
I never tried this before, but I think I tried like different types like Hyderabadi and dum biryani or like Moglai, something like Chettinad. I tried it, but this is different for me.
Okay.
New as well.
Now we are gonna add ice to the rice. Rice to the
Okay. Ice to the rice? No, rice to the ice. No. Okay. So you just need to cover all the gravy
with the rice.
right? And then you will put it for dum, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can keep it apart.
You need my help?
Yeah, I need your help.
Okay. Shall I put everything?
Yeah, everything.
So this is where you need my help.
Yeah, because the cooker is a bit heavy.
Yeah. I'm filling the gravy with the rice. So I just need to proceed. Let's see. Wow. Then how can I done this rice with the gravy? I need to mix it with gravy, right, later on?
Yeah,
Yeah.
because it's a small vessel. I think we have to change it to some other.
Okay, you will put dum and then you will mix later, right?
Yeah, maybe later.
Yeah. I mean, purpose of this.
This is like kind of dumb.
Okay, what will happen?
I don't know. Don't ask me.
Don't cook like this, okay?
Actually, the biryani is like more tastier if we have it tomorrow.
Okay, we have to cook today and we have to eat tomorrow. This is unfair. And she's telling me to cook today and she wanted me to eat tomorrow. Can you do this? No, right?
സുഖമായിട്ട് തന്നെ ഒരു കമ്പനിയിൽ
So finally we are done with our Thalassery chicken biryani. It's a very, authentic Indian way of cooking. So you can see. So we have a lot of chicken leg pieces with rice. So we just added some little bit of curd as well so that it gives taste when you're eating. So here we have a guest actually, Ashita. So you saw it, right? How we make it and how we did it. Not me, but she. Alina, she cooked, right? So say thanks to her for her recipe.
Thank you, Alina.
And thank you, Alina. Thank you so much.
Now we're gonna taste it.
Yeah, now we are going to taste it. Let's see our expressions.
നല്ല രസമായിട്ടുണ്ട്. Really tasty.
It's really tasty. Thank you so much, Alina. Really good. Yeah, I'm not saying for the sake of video. I'm saying
No.
really
It's very good.
tasty. Yeah.
Okay.
So we should cook every day for us. Anita, yes, right?
Every day different biryanis.
Yeah.
Tomorrow maybe Ambur biryani.
I'm good with that, yeah. You want some? It's okay, I'll eat it on behalf of you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Before going, do like, share.
And subscribe. Bye.
Bye.